Everybody knows how imperative sleep is for keeping in great physical and psychological well-being. Be that as it may, to what extent you sleep is similarly as imperative as the way you sleep. The position you sleep in can influence your well-being, help keep your skin looking youthful, and lift your stomach-related well-being. Here are 6 routes sleeping on your left side is useful for your well-being. 1. It bolsters the lymphatic system. Ayurvedic pharmaceutical says that sleeping on your left side gives your body a chance to better channel lymph liquid and waste through the lymph hubs. This is on the grounds that the left half of our body is the more grounded lymphatic side. Western examinations likewise found that sleeping on the left side can enable the body to separate waste materials from the cerebrum. In any case, sleeping on the correct side can bring down the lymphatic system's energy. 2. It may improve digestion. With regards to processing, sleeping on the left side might be superior to one side, in light of gravity. Lying on the left side gives nourishment a chance to squander effectively move from the internal organ into the lower colon, which means we'll probably have a solid discharge when you wake up. Sleeping on the left side gives the stomach and pancreas a chance to hang normally in light of the fact that our stomach lies on the left half of the body. This can ensure the body continues making pancreatic compounds and will help other stomach-related procedures. 3. It's good for your heart. Specialists prompt that pregnant ladies sleep on their left side to support course to the heart. Regardless of whether you're not pregnant or a lady, sleeping on the left side may help take some weight off the heart. Gravity can help lymph waste toward the heart, and aortic dissemination far from the heart. 4. It's ideal for pregnant women. Sleeping on the left side doesn't just lift pregnant ladies' dissemination. It can likewise enable simplicity to weight on the back, shield the uterus from pressing the liver, and raise bloodstream to the uterus, kidneys, and baby. Hence, specialists advise pregnant ladies to spend however much of their sleep time as could reasonably be expected on their left sides. 5. It may reduce heartburn. An investigation written in the Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology found that lying on the left side can help bring down indigestion signs. This is on the grounds that our stomach lies on the left side. Lying on the correct side may exacerbate these signs. The assistance comes quick. In case you're feeling acid reflux after a feast, take a stab at resting on your left side for 10 minutes. 6. It may relieve back pain. Individuals with incessant back agony may feel somewhat better in the event that they change to sleeping on their left side. That is on the grounds that sleeping on your side can ease weight on the spine. Feeling more great will raise your odds of getting a decent night's sleep. On the off chance that you typically sleep on your back, your front, or your correct side, you may think about how to bring an end to that propensity and begin sleeping on your left side. It will require some investment and practice, yet you will have the capacity to rapidly prepare your body to sleep in this position. Here are a few hints. You can take a stab at lying on your left side and press a full-length body cushion up against your back. The cushion will prevent you from moving over amid the night. Have a go at exchanging the side of the bed you sleep on. This will make it simpler for you to flip to your opposite side and have a similar awesome sleep. Another trap is to keep a diminished light lit on your correct side. Since your body will normally need to get some distance from the light while you sleep, it will make it simpler for you to sleep on your left side. Attempt these little changes when you can. They will improve your sleep and lead you to better well-being. Note that a few people, like those with coronary illness, sleep apnea, glaucoma, and carpal passage disorder, may not get assistance from sleeping on their left sides. In case you don't know about what sleep position would be best for you, it's dependably a smart thought to ask a specialist.